Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the First National Bank Livingston mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The First National Bank Livingston mobile app is a digital banking platform designed for customers of First National Bank Livingston, allowing secure access to everyday financial services directly from a smartphone. It's available on both iOS and Android and is built to help users manage accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and monitor activity without needing to visit a physical branch. The app's main features include real-time balance checks, transaction history, internal transfers, bill payments, and mobile check deposits using the device's camera. Users can also set up account alerts, manage debit card controls, and locate nearby branches or ATMs for quick assistance. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's simplicity, secure login options, and reliable mobile deposit functionality. The interface is straightforward, making it easy for customers of all experience levels to handle routine banking tasks. Users also value the quick processing speeds and the convenience of having essential financial tools available at any time. However, there are some drawbacks. The app may lack some advanced budgeting tools or financial planning features found in larger national banking apps. A few users report occasional login delays or issues with mobile check deposits in low-light environments. Additionally, features are primarily focused on core banking, so those seeking advanced analytics or investment tools may find the app limited. In summary, the First National Bank Livingston app may be worth using if you want a secure, reliable way to manage local banking services, deposit checks, and handle day-to-day transactions from your phone. However, if you need advanced financial tools or more robust digital banking features, it might feel basic compared to larger competitors. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.